Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will start our new chapter which is chapter 10 gravitation. Okay, so what is gravitation? We will understand this soon in this chapter. Okay dear students, so first I have lots of things just like this is a pen and when I release it, it's going to the downside. Okay dear student, so why this thing is happened? Okay, this thing is happened due to the gravitation. Okay, why this thing we will discuss in our further more videos. Okay, so in our daily life there is a lot of examples, okay, in which there is a gravitation force is which happened. Okay, so moving of planets around the sun, moving of moon surround the earth. Okay, and lots of gravity, lots of the things which is in space. Okay, they are not falling on the earth. Okay, so this all these things are having the gravitational force to each other, that is why they are pulled to each other. Okay dear students, so this all the phenomena of the physics is given by the Sir Isaac Newton. Okay, so this all this phenomena is noticed by through the Sir Isaac Newton. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss about the motion in gravitation. Okay, motion gravitations के according कैसे होते हैं यहाँ पे, and the object having the weight which is different in a different places. Okay, in a different places the weights is varies, okay, according to the time and places, and we are also discuss about the condition of the floats of object in a liquids. Okay, liquids में floats कैसे करते हैं objects, इसकी conditions के बारे में स्टडी इसी chapters में की जाएगी. Okay dear student, so now first our topic is gravitation. ठीक है, ग्रेविटेशन के बारे में पढ़ते हैं अभी डायरेक्टली. So we are already discussed about the planets move around the sun. Okay, the moon is sun around the earth. Okay, any object which is we throwing an upside which is directly reaching to the downside. Okay, and these things having the gravitation. Okay, so there is a one examples to how to these things are come under the thinking. Okay, so this is by through the one apple which is fell on the Isaac Newton when Isaac Newton sitting below the tree of the apple. Okay, and he think that when the apple is coming from up to down. Okay, so why these things is not happening all around the space objects and also in the earth objects. Okay, in all these things are having the rules of gravitation. Okay dear students, so we have one activity. Okay, just like एक एक्टिविटी 10.1 है. ठीक है, उसमें क्या होता है, वी हैव गेटिंग वन थ्रेड. ओके, एंड टाइप वन स्टोन इन द लास्ट ऑफ द थ्रेड. ओके, एंड देन वी मूव टू द दिस थ्रेड. ओके, एंड दिस थ्रेड is going on a circular path. Okay, and when only stone is throwing, so it is moving on a straight path. Okay, but हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जब इसको हाथ से पकड़ के ऐसे राउंड घुमाएंगे, ठीक है, गोल गोल, तो ये क्या करेंगे, एक सर्कुलर पाथ में ही घूमेगा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ड्यू टू द बिकॉज सेंटर इन द सेंटर देयर इज अ centripetal force. Force is there due to the it is bounding this stone, okay, and moving going surround the in a circular path, okay. Same thing is applying on the स्पेस ऑब्जेक्ट्स, ओके. स्पेस ऑब्जेक्ट्स में भी क्या होता है आपके यहां पर जो सन होता है इट्स हैविंग अ सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स ऑन द अर्थ, okay dear student, that is way the sun is not the earth is not going on another ways, okay, and any object any planets, ठीक है, जितने भी planets होते हैं वो सभी भी इसी centripetal force से क्या होते हैं, they are grabbed to each other, okay, that is way they are move in a elliptical or circular path, okay dear student. There behind of this there is a centripetal force, ओके समझ में आ गया होगा आई होप कि व्हाट इज सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स, ठीक है. ग्रेविटेशन, ओके, तो ग्रेविटेशन क्या होता है, ग्रेविटेशन दैट मीन, सो व्हाट इज ग्रेविटेशन, ग्रेविटेशन इज द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन two objects is known as gravitational force. Such examples are the force between planets and sun, between moon and earth, any objects falling on earth. These are all examples of the gravitational force, okay dear students. So according to this the gravitation is said to be as the force of attraction between two objects is known as gravitational force, ठीक है. अर्थ में यूनिवर्स में कहीं पर भी अगर दो ऑब्जेक्ट दे आर getting to attract each other, this force is known as a gravitational force, okay. So gravitational force is different in different force different places, okay, but there is some example just like the force between planets and sun, ठीक है, जो sun और planets के बीच में फोर्स होता है that is known as gravitational force, okay. Between moon and earth this is also grabbed by through the gravitational force. Any objects falling on the earth, ठीक है, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है जो अर्थ में क्या हो रहा है, फॉल हो रहा है, अर्थ पे डाउन हो रहा है, ठीक है, तो दिस इज ऑल ड्यू टू द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, ओके. हम लोग भी अगर जमीन में चलते हैं, ठीक है, तो इसके लिए भी एक रीजन होता है कि ग्रेविटेशन है, दैट इज वी आर मूविंग ऑन द अर्थ, वी आर रनिंग ऑन द or otherwise we are flying on the earth. Okay dear students, so this is a chapter 10 gravitation basic terms. Okay, in the next video we will deduce the mathematical terms of the gravitation. Okay dear students, thank you.